Hey guys, and welcome back. What's on my camera? Oh, there. Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we're going to be doing a haul. Unsurprisingly, I shopped, but surprisingly, it is not a workout haul. It's actual clothing you can wear outside of the gym, outside of your spinning class. Well, I mean, I wear workout clothes outside, just chilling, running my errands, but I mean, this is like acceptable clothing to wear outside. And now that I'm thinking about it, most of these things are, oh my gosh, they're all sweatpants. Like fancy sweatpants, but like sweatpants nonetheless. Fuck. I really have a problem. But I swear, you know, the whole sweatpants out in public thing as an outfit, you know, Kim Kardashian's doing it, so we could all do it. Even if I don't live in LA, which I feel like this would be more acceptable if I lived in LA. So, I'm doing a haul from Fashionnova. I get a lot of questions about Fashionnova because it's one of those brands where you're not really sure if it's a scam, if it's good quality. When you go on their website, everything is pretty inexpensive, so you kind of get looped into thinking like, is this gonna be good? Is this inexpensive for a reason? What's the shipping like? What's everything like? And honestly, I'm here to tell you that it's not a scam. Fashionnova is a really cool brand of products. I have a lot of stuff from there. I have some jeans, I have some shirts, I have some sweatpants already. So I can speak from experience that the brand is not a scam, though the sizing sometimes can be a bit weird. So it's definitely something to consider. Some pieces are lower quality, kind of like anything. You can never really know before buying it since it's through a screen that you're shopping. But for the most part, it's exactly what you expect for the price, if not more at most times. Keep in mind that I bought most of these pieces for a video that I have in mind for a little bit in the future that I'm super excited about, but these are all pieces that I'm gonna be wearing for sure. And this is the first time that I pulled them out, so I have not tried these on yet. So it's really gonna be my first impressions. They've been like sitting in my room in a corner in the box for a pretty long time, and it's kind of been killing me just to see this clothing like sitting there, but I'm like, no, MK, you can't open it. You need to have your first impressions right in front of the camera. So here it is. First piece that I'm gonna be talking to you about is the Have Fun joggers. So this is what they look like. They are black. These actually kind of feel like chiffon. I wonder what these are made out of. Let's see if I can find it. So these retail for $22.99 US. Keep that in mind that this is US because they do not have a Canadian website, or I don't think they have any other like Australian or anything like that. So all the prices are in US dollars. So they are high-waisted. They have some pockets, which aren't we all excited when we figure out the things we love, pockets. They seem to be, they have some threads that are loose here, but I can fix that. So it's kind of weird. They're like a sweatpant. Like on the model, I did not expect this material because it actually just looked like they would be like sweatpant material, but these are actually really thin and chiffon. So I can't wait to see how these fit, but I definitely think that these would be a lot easier to pull off wearing outside the house since they probably look a little more classy. I think that these would look probably really cute with some outfits that I'm planning. I'm really excited to see if these fit well because they would fall perfectly into the look that I have in mind for this video that I'm gonna be coming out with. So I don't want to tell you guys what it is because I just feel like I'm just too excited and I need to like figure out how it's gonna work out before. But this fancy sweatpants is part of it, so that's your clue. Next up, we've got the Comfy and Cozy pants in olive. So these I've already owned. I already own in another color, in this like mauve color. I'm sure if you watched my last try on video, I did put some Fashionnova pieces in there, and that was when I had the mauve sweatpants. But these are in the color olive. Since I did love them in mauve, I knew that I had to pick them up in this olive color for the winter that is still currently here in Canada, and for spring. I think that this will be a really cute color, and they'll definitely be fitting as well in my video that I have in mind. I got these in a size small. I also got these in a size small as well, in case you're wondering about my sizing. I'll leave the sizing that I am in other pants and other brands down below in the description box as per usual. So if you want to see how some things would fit on you and what size you should get in relation to how it looks on me and how it fits on me. Also, don't forget to like, if you want, you can always ask me in the comments if you have any specific questions. So these are extremely soft. They are just the perfect sweatpants. They don't have any huge logos. They're just plain. They have this nice waistband that's nice and tight. They make the booty look amazing. Like, I got one of my friends obsessed with these as well. She also has them in the olive and the mauve, and they just, it's really awesome to put on sweatpants that are kind of loose and kind of like cool looking, but that make your booty look amazing. So I love these. I already know I'm gonna love them in the olive. Next up is another pair of sweatpants. These are definitely more for an outfit. Like, I would not work out in these kinds of pants. I'm sure you've seen them all over Instagram, all over the fashion blogs. They've been around for a little while now, so maybe I'm a little behind trend. I just couldn't really get myself to invest in one of these because I was unsure how they look on me, and I know that this is definitely a trend that's probably gonna leave for another 10 years, because these were for sure in trend like 12, 13 years ago when I was a kid, and it is popper pants. So these are sweatpants with poppers all the way down the side, so you can literally just, that'd be kind of sexy actually, you know, if you want to do that for your boyfriend. Just all of a sudden you have pants, and the next thing you know, you don't have pants anymore. But these have been styled all over the internet as like a fashion piece. So like with a pair of strappy heels, a little black crop top, maybe a bold lip. That is definitely what I would pair this with. I just don't know how they'll fit on me. On the mannequin, they looked pretty high-waisted, so I'd really like them to be high-waisted. I think that would make me feel a lot more confident. I also got these in a size small, and these were $27.99 US. So I'm pretty excited to try these on and see if it's gonna be a look on me. It may not. I have this event coming up next weekend in Montreal, and if these look good, then they might be the outfit. Maybe I'll, you know, I feel like you need a lot of confidence to rock something like this, or just fake it till you make it, which is what I'm gonna do. The last and final thing that I got from Fashionnova this time around is a pair of shoes. So bear in mind, this is the first time that I order shoes on Fashionnova, so I'm excited to see how these look and how they feel and if they're comfortable. So I'll definitely have to keep you guys updated on that. So I've always, a little background information on these shoes. I've always dreamed to have a nice pair of red pumps. It's always been a dream of mine to own a pair of red shoes, specifically red pumps. I mean, I would have settled for some nice strappy sandals, but like in my dreams I'd have some red shoes. And in my dreams, they would be Louboutins and they would have the red underneath as well. But you know, that's not really in my budget right now. So I had to settle for a pair from Fashionnova. And I have no idea how I'm gonna style these, but we're gonna roll with it and we're gonna make it work. So I'll show you what they look like. So this is them. They are super beautiful. They are suede and pointy toe. I do like my pumps to be pointed. It's just a personal preference, but having the pointy toe definitely does. I swear these cars. Okay, that's enough. I definitely prefer the pointy toe look, though sometimes it does, if the shoes aren't well made, it can squish your little toe. And that's definitely gonna be a factor with these ones because they're really pointy and they're also very high. This is like 4.5 inches, which is a bit more than I'm used to. I go for the 3.5, sometimes 4. But I do love the look of a really high heel. So I'm trying to like ease myself into higher heels. I just wanna make sure that I don't look stupid walking in them. So that's why I usually stick to lower heels. So we will see how these fare on the feet. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this short and sweet Fashionnova try-on haul. If you did enjoy it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and never forget to subscribe. It would mean the world to me if you would subscribe to my channel. If you want to see how all these pieces fare in like everyday life, if I'm liking them, if the shoes are comfortable, please follow me on my social media. I will probably post it in my Instagram story. That's just the easiest for me, or on Snapchat. So if you are interested in that or seeing how I style these pieces, then add me on there, and I hope that you guys have a beautiful day. Bye.